Don't freak out, it could be easy fix, but in other cases you may lose your brake, so make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain what it could be. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW guys, 1 series, 3 series, 4, 5 series guys, X1 all the way to X6, 7 guys. And if you have a scraping noise, grinding noise after you did brake pads replacement, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that guys and how to fix it. In some cases it could be something really simple, but always inspect it, because if you have a noise it could be a really dangerous problem. So most of the times it will not be, but always check, because it could lead to a loss of brakes. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos guys. We're constantly getting new cars here at the garage, working on that BMW now. We got a Dodge Challenger that will be working. We have more than 15 vehicles waiting to be shot guys, so videos are coming all the time. If you need help with anything, leave a comment below our videos and we'll try to make a video for your problem. That way we can help you, we can help other people with that problem, and we can build a community where we help each other. If you need to buy any parts tools for your car at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from guys, and you can save a ton of money. So, specifically we'll be demonstrating on that BMW X4, which is practically an X3 BMW guys. They're built on the 3 and 4 series platform. Many BMWs will use exactly the same design. So, now a few things can cause scraping, grinding noise. So we're going to start with the first thing guys. We're going to install now the disc rotor, because we're putting new brakes here. We'll have a complete video that on the channel, how to replace brake pads on BMW. Do you need to replace the disc brake rotor on BMW? We have that video on the channel that talks about how to check about rotor thickness, how worn yours is, and all that stuff. So when you have the disc rotor installed, let's say you replace new brake pads guys, you're working really close to that device that's known as a backing plate. That backing plate is super close to your rotor. You can see on the bottom and the top. Sometimes by removing the wheel, you can easily bend that backing plate, or when working here on the car you can easily bend it, and as a result what will happen, you will come really close to the rotor, and when you start driving it will just start making that grinding noise guys. So that grinding noise will be coming most likely from the backing plate, so always inspect it. I want to show you right here, could be something else, but I want to show you on this Dodge right here how close it is guys to the wheel. You can see, check this thing out, and sometimes even just removing the wheel, it falls, the wheels falls on that backing plate and bends it, and it starts grinding. Hold on the bottom, you bend it when you try to install the wheel, the same thing happens guys. So it could be just a bent backing plate. Something else that we need to talk about now, this is guys, this is a brake pad right here. The brake pad has a special place where the brake sensor goes in. You can see this is guys the brake sensor, brake wear sensor, brake pad wear sensor. If that thing is not aligned correctly, didn't put it in, that could be grinding on your disc as well. So check for it, make sure that it's not loose as well. Also inspect that you put the brakes together, everything's put together, you use the correct torque specs, use the correct brake pad wear sensor. It's recommended to replace this every time you replace the brake pads. We have a special video that explains if I need new brake pad wear sensor on BMW, check it out. It will talk about that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.